Well, actually, I just don't know this song. I mean, I just remember the melody, the rhythm of the song, but I can't sing this song. I know it was famous before เป็นเพลงที่yeah ไม่รู้เพลงอะไร see you again stuff like that I just mouth the words for this song ก็แค่แบบพึมพำพูดไปมั่วๆกับเพลงนี้อะไรเงี้ย that's it yeah okay this is another video for a raw video series yeah because I just got nothing to do. I mean, I just don't know what am I going to share. One thing is that I just got a question. I just want to know as well. I am in my bedroom and I just want to know อยากจะรู้ว่า how many clocks do you have in your bedroom? In my case, I have one clock over here. This is one over here. Oh, yeah, there. Can you see that? Yeah. And then I also have another side over there above my desk. One above my desk and another one above my bed. I have two clocks, wall clocks in this bedroom. In my bedroom. What about you? Do you usually have only one clock or two clocks in your bedroom? And well, I really love these two clocks which is from IKEA IKEA เป็นการออกเสียงแบบอเมริกันถ้าเกิดแบบ British จะออกเสียงว่า IKEA หรือว่าแบบชาวนอร์เวย์ไม่ใช่สวีเดนเนาะสวีเดนก็ออกเสียงว่า IKEA อะไรเงี้ยซึ่ง because I first got to know this word this brand when I was in Malaysia and then during that time there was no IKEA in Thailand just yet so I just remember that way because I watched the videos from American people saying about IKEA okay that's it bye take care